Hi everyone, welcome to Greysfit. Today we're going to work on our hips. If you have some tightness or you're dealing with some soreness or you're trying to improve your squat, the depth of it, you're struggling with range of motion, we're going to help you out with that today. So first, we're going to take our Greysfit 5-inch massage mobility ball. We're going to place it above our glutes, below our hip bone, your piriformis, from here. Across that leg, and you're going to feel that tender spot, and we're just going to roll it up and down and back and forth. This may be very tender for some of you. If so, hold it on that tender spot and then roll off of it. Hold it on and roll off of it. So what you're going to do over time is you're going to be able to roll that out for a longer period of time. So I'm doing a swirling motion right now. And then back and forth, up and down. So you're going to roll it out for 1 to 2 minutes, longer if you can. And you're going to repeat that same process on the opposite side. From there, we're going to come onto our side, take that ball just below our hip bone. You don't want to roll on your hip bone. You want to be just below it. You're going to take that leg that the ball's under, place it straight out, relax it, take your opposite leg, cross it over, hand down. We're going to roll our IT bands now because those connect up to our hip. Your IT band is the muscle that runs along the side of your leg, and it cannot be stretched. So this size ball is ideal for rolling this out. So as we're going to go up and down, making sure to relax our leg. And then we're going to go just below our hips, starting side to side, or front to back. And working that ball down towards our knee. That same process will be repeated on the opposite leg. From here, we're going to roll onto our stomachs and roll out our hip flexors. The hip flexor is right here. I'm going to place that ball just under it. You're going to take that leg, bend that knee out, and you're going to roll up and down. You're going to roll from that hip flexor down towards your groin muscle and back. Then we're going to slightly twist our hips and roll down that hip flexor towards our quad, our upper leg. And then twist one more time, more towards our outer hip, again rolling down towards our quad. And then that same process will be repeated on the opposite leg as well. You're going to want to hit each of those for a few minutes. Take your time on this, spend some time working those muscles. Next we're going to roll up into what's called our psoas, so that's more up into our stomach. So be careful with this, don't put a lot of weight on it yet. You find the center of your belly button, move it out towards the side, just above your hip bone. And you're going to feel the tightness in that muscle there. Almost close to your oblique, between your abs and your oblique. And I would just hold that there. When you find that, what is almost like a gap, just let that sink in. Continue your breathing, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. And you're going to hold that, move it around on what feels good for you for a few minutes. Same process will be repeated on the opposite side as well. And that was working our hips, so thank you for joining us.